Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I have been still teaching myself how to edit and get the lighting right and all the little intricacies that go into making a video, but I am back and I will be dedicating myself to being more consistent. So with this video today, I will be doing an unboxing of some Shea Moisture goodies that I received. I haven't said it on this platform, but I am a Shea Moisture brand ambassador for 2018. I have on the shirt, and here's the back. Yes, so today I will be showing you some of the things I received in my December box. So each box has this Hello Beautiful on the outside. And then it says a million ways to Shay. And then the box is actually cute on the inside. And these are the goodies. These are the goodies. Let me pick that up. We have a pamphlet. All of the items in this box have a raw shea butter with frankincense and myrrh inside. It says our raw shea butter collection lavishes skin with intense moisture, nourishing vitamins and fatty acids. Made from our family recipes, the products are formulated with only the purest raw shea butter, sourced from 15 co-ops in northern Ghana as part of our purpose-driven community commerce business model. Frankincense and myrrh contains restorative and aromatherapeutic properties to soothe the skin and senses. And then it has a list of everything that's in the box and how to use it. All of these products can be found at Walmart, Walgreens, Ulta, and CVS. And also on the Shea Moisture website. So this is what it looks like. This is very handy. This is helpful. So let's get into this. Let's dig in. Okay, the first item we have is the Hydrating Body Wash. It's for dry skin. It's a 13 fluid ounce bottle. This is what it looks like. Let's smell it. It has a very natural scent. I like it. It's light, not too strong. It has organic shea butter, which deeply moisturizes the skin with vitamins and essential fatty acids, frankincense and myrrh, which helps calm and revitalize dull-looking skin, and coconut oil, which nourishes and helps firm skin with vitamin E and K, iron, and fatty acids. Excuse my voice. I'm like in the middle of getting over a cold, so I sound a little extra raspy. I'm sorry. Bear with me. But yes. Oh, and also all of Shea Moisture's products, they have no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no animal testing. A lot of good stuff is in here. All that bad stuff, you don't have to worry about them with these products. So that's the body wash. Next off, we have the matching Hydrating Body Lotion. It has the same ingredients for the most part. It's also 13 fluid ounces. I'm just gonna check out the texture. Oh, sorry. Let's see. So it's not too thick, but not too thin. It's definitely not watery. And it's moisturizing. What I am going to do is after this video, I'll probably do a full tutorial showing you how I use these products and my opinion of them. But I'm excited to try this. And then next, this is cute. I mean, the holidays or Christmas or whatever has passed. This would have been really cute as like a stocking stuffer. I don't celebrate it anyway, but for me, I will be using these because they're travel size. I will be using these to travel. I travel a lot, and it's important for me to have my hair and skincare items in my carry-on with me. I don't like to check them in just in case my luggage is delayed or lost. I need these things. So these are both 3 fluid ounces, which meets the requirements for TSA. So I will definitely be using these on my next trip. Thank you, Shea Moisture. And then next we have the raw shea butter soap. It's an 8 ounce bar. I honestly love Shea Moisture's soaps. I use the African black soap. I live by this soap. I literally use it for my face and my body. I use it all year round and it's extremely good. Not only does it last a really long time, this thing can last me a good 4 to 6 weeks, maybe even 8, but it leaves my bathroom smelling so good. I mean, I don't need a candle or a diffuser. The soap alone makes the bathroom smell good, which I really like. So I'm excited to try this one. And lately, my skin has been extra dry, really my legs, and I'm not sure why, because I moisturize and do everything the same, but maybe after using this soap with the body wash and the lotion, I'll see a difference. And then we have the ground coffee scrub. It's a 12-ounce bottle. This is the coffee scrub. And it says, gently exfoliate dry, dull skin to smooth and restore even the roughest patches. Enriched with certified organic raw shea butter and sea salt, this scrub exfoliates and infuses moisture to reveal soft, supple skin. Ground coffee helps energize and nourish skin. I've never tried a scrub like made out of coffee, so I'm excited to try this. And it smells like coffee mixed with shea butter. I like it. I don't want to spill it, but it's actual like coffee. This will be perfect for like my self-care Sundays when I like exfoliate my entire body and take bubble baths. This will be really good to try out, so I'm excited. And then I didn't show you a close-up of the soap. And then lastly, we have a little trinket. It's like a little heart lanyard thing. I guess you can just like hang. It says Shea Moisture on it. It's cutesy. So that concludes this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will be listing all of the items in the description box below. If any of you have tried any of these items and have thoughts or an opinion about any of them, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell so you'll be informed whenever I upload a new video. That is it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!